Hi everybody, it's Deb here with Creative Life. Thanks for joining me today and welcome back to the 12 Days of Christmas, you guys, with Rosa Kelly and myself. And I hope you all are getting lots of inspiration from me and Rosa. I love all the projects that she's done, and I've had fun challenging myself with some of the items that we've gotten from our bingo sheet. And I tell you, it is a lot of fun to do this. So if you want some inspiration or anything like that, definitely play along and just see what you come up with on this challenge. Challenge yourself to come out of your comfort zone or, whatever. Try something new. So now today is day 8. Now I know I'm a little behind. I've had all grandkids, 6 grandkids this whole weekend, from my baby grandson, who is almost a year, you guys. I can't believe he's almost a year old already. Time goes by so fast. And up to my 12-year-old? No, 10-year-old, almost 10, I'm making her older than what she is, my 10-year-old granddaughter. So, and everybody in between that age gap. So it was a busy weekend baking cookies and doing s'mores and singing Christmas carols and all of that. It was just so much fun, but also busy and very, I have to say Nana and Papa are very tired. So but we had fun having them here with us, and we will miss Remini and Gwen and Gia during the Christmas day. They will be in Colorado spending it with their dad, and so I know they'll have fun there too, but we can't wait to get them back so they can open up their presents. But let's go ahead and do day 8 now. I have my little box here that has all of my little themes inside. So we're going to shake this up and we're going to pick one, and I'm just going to pick the one right here on top, and let's see what we get. Santa! Oh my gosh, you guys, I got a bingo. Got a bingo. No, I don't know if Rosa got a bingo yet. I don't know. But oh my gosh, I got a bingo on day 8. So I am super excited. Really, really excited. So day 8 is a bingo, you guys. Oh my gosh. Super, super excited. So yeah, oh my gosh, that is super exciting. Now, I don't know. I guess we just keep on going, right? So I'll have to talk to Rosa about that. I think we just keep on going until the 12 days. And so this is day number 8. Day 8, and we got a bingo. So yeah, so I'm pretty excited. So we're going to go ahead and do something with Santa on it. And I don't know what that is yet, but I will be right back. Here with Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to the 12 Days of Christmas with Rosa and I. So we are putting together some fantastic creations for you guys and your Christmas inspiration. So I hope you guys are enjoying the videos that we are sharing with you. And today is day number 8. And with that being said, I got a bingo. So I'm so excited. So with that, we're going to make something that is Santa. And I kind of got this idea from Pinterest, but I did make some things like this for Halloween one year. So if you followed that hop, and I'll put the video for you after this video. I'll put that there. It's where I made a mummy and a Frankenstein and a ghost, I believe. And they were so cute. I made them out of those plank boards that you get over at the Dollar Tree. So if you see these, that says Jolly on it. I went ahead and just flipped it over and painted on the other side. And so this one is going to be a Santa one. And so to do that, we need a Santa hat. You need some paint. I'm going to be using fawn, and then some white paint for his beard. And then I am going to go ahead and use probably some pink chalk for his little rosy cheeks. And then for his eyes, I may use some black buttons. Okay, so let me grab the chalk that I'm going to be using. Hold on 1 second. So I have this Stampin' Up! Pastels from years ago. You guys, this was, gosh, I don't even know if it has the date on it, but this is like from 19 something. Okay, so I'm pretty sure that it was made, 2002. So it's still pretty old, but I still have lots of chalks left in here, and I'll probably be using this one right here, or this one. So that's what I'll be using for his little rosy cheeks once the paint dries. And then, like I said, I'll be putting some little black buttons on for his eyes. And then for the nose, I'm going to go ahead and use one of these little balls. These are the little ball. They're just those little wooden balls that everybody gets, and they have on either side it's opened, but that's okay. I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to put it this way. So anywho, so that's what we're going to be using. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm not sure how this is going to turn out, but we will find out. So again, I am going to go ahead and make this into a challenge for myself because I am not a good drawer. And I did come up with another little Santa thing that I want to share with you real quick. So I was thinking about making something like this. This is another little ornament that you can make, and we'll go ahead and we'll make this one as well. So I'm going to put that off to the side, but we are going to go ahead and make a little Santa door hanging out of this. Okay, so to start off with, what I did is I went ahead and grabbed my pencil and I put the hat on first so I knew where to begin the face, and I just drew kind of like parentheses, yes, large parentheses around the area here. And so I just kind of matched them up a little bit, and then I kind of got my fingers and kind of figured out where I wanted my eyes and kind of just used that as a little marker. Now I know we're going to paint that area, so you won't be able to see the pencil lines anymore, but I went ahead and did my nose as well, and then just kind of did a little mustache area by the nose, so that way I knew where to start or where to finish his white area that we're going to paint. And you'll see here in a minute what I'm talking about. So now we're ready to go ahead and start painting. Here I went ahead and took my fawn colored paint, and I just went ahead, and this is where the face is going to be. So as you can see where we made our little parentheses is what I'm going to call it. I am just painting inside that area up until I made that little kind of like two little mountains or hills on either side, and that is where the mustache is kind of be. And so here I'm just going to go ahead and paint that one little area, and then we're going to go ahead and let this dry. And we're going to move on to painting the white. Now you can put 2 coats on this. I went ahead and did 2 coats, but you can put just 1 or 2 coats depending on what coverage you're looking for. Okay. Now for this part, I did kind of speed it up a bit because we are painting white for a very long time. And I didn't want you guys to get bored with watching me paint because, so what I did is I kind of, when I painted my little mustache or beard, I went ahead and just kind of went like with little flicks, like how a beard would look with hair, coming down. And so I'm not quite sure if you can really tell, but so I kind of like curved it inward and towards each other. So like when you're painting on the right side, you're going to kind of curve your brush to the left side. When you're painting to the left side, you're going to curve your brush to the right hand side. So that way it kind of flows. And I thought that that just looked a little bit better than just painting it straight. I mean, straight lines. But, it's totally however you want to paint, just paint it on there. So, I did use quite a bit of white paint because, we're painting a kind of a large surface here. So here I'm going to go ahead and now I'm going towards the face area and I'm painting the top part of this white. And this is where the hat is going to be, where I'm painting now. That is going to be covered up by the hat. But just in case your little hat falls off for whatever reason, you're going to go ahead and just paint that white. And at a later time, now, at a later time, I can show you how to put holes in this. I didn't do it right now. But you can definitely just drill holes there at the top, about maybe 1 inch, 1.5 inches down from the top. And then you're going to drill a hole and then just kind of poke holes through the hat when you get it on. And then just have like a little tie back there. And that's how you're going to hang this up. So your hat is actually going to cover the top part of that area. So I'm flipping this back around and now I'm going to start painting where the mustache is and see where that little curvature area is on either side. That's going to be our little mustache area. And you'll see here in a minute, I do get a sponge and I'm going to kind of go like dab it through there, and you'll see here in a minute. And it looks it looks like a little mustache, I guess. But I thought it was really cute. So here I'm kind of like just taking my time a little bit, kind of getting the little areas correct. Okay, so here is where I wanted to dab on the little mustache, and I was trying to use my finger, but it wasn't looking very well, and I tried to use that little sponge and brush, and that didn't go very well. So, the little sink sponges that you use with the little abrasive on one side and then the sponge on the one other side, I went ahead and, because I had extra, I went ahead and got one, cut a little piece off, and then just dabbed it into the paint. And that's what we're going to use, the little sponge, to dab around the little mustache. Okay, so here I am putting like a little second coat around the face area just to make sure that it's white. And I want to say stippled it a little bit so it would kind of look like hair. And then here, this is where I used that little sponge, and I'm just going to continue to go up and over. And the one thing I was having problem with is my mustache was not centered. So my my little nose was off a little bit. And so I kept having to go up and and up. And I was like, okay, I gotta get this right so our little nose would sit in the center part. Okay, now for the eyes, I used the Tim Holtz little bingo. wooden bingo pieces. I didn't have any black buttons, so I was looking through my stash and I saw these and I thought, I can paint those black. So I went ahead and painted those black, and they worked out great. And then here is the little wooden beads, and I just stuck that right in the center for our nose. The next thing I did is I came in with my pink chalk. Now I did the really light one first because I wanted to make sure that I would get the right coloring that I needed, or what color to use. So it's better to start light than to start with a dark one and then go light. So this is what I did. And so I went ahead and I got a little bit of pink on the little mustache there. That's okay. And he just looks so cute. The next thing I did is I grabbed some holly from my stash, and I went ahead and placed some there on top of his little hat. And then I grabbed some of the little berries and just glued those on. And these look so cute. I absolutely love how these look. They are so cute. I have to say that I'm pretty impressed with myself because I did the face and everything, and I thought this turned out really well. I was really nervous about making this. Okay, so we're done with our little Santa. Now, if you want to, you can definitely glue your hat to the front and the back, okay? And what you're going to do is to hang this up, if you wanted to hang it, you're going to go ahead and just drill holes, okay? Put your wiring through, or whatever you want to use, and then you're going to bring a hole back in through the hat, okay, and then tie it off so that way you can hang it up. Of course, the holes are going to be way up here, so nobody's going to see them, okay? And I'm not going to glue my hat down just yet because I need this available for my grandson. And so, and I only had one small hat, unless I can go to the store before Christmas and then go ahead and find another small hat, then I can have him wear that one. And I can glue this one down, and I'll do a video later and share with you how to do your holes and all that, so you can make this into a hanging little wall hanger or something. And unless you want to put it out and on your front porch, you can definitely do that. If you're going to put this outside, okay, you can definitely go ahead and put a sealant on it. Use they sell like a sealant over at Home Depot, Lowe's, even I think the Dollar Tree or Dollar General has a spray sealant, and I would just spray it all over, so that way you can go ahead and put this outside. I'm going to put mine probably next to my fireplace or something like that, so so it's going to be sitting upright. But I think that this turned out super cute. I hope that you guys like this. And y'all, it was so easy. I can't believe how easy this was. I really was nervous because, like I said before, I am not a good drawer. And these kind of things kind of intimidate me. Anything has to do with like drawing a face, I'm not good at. But this was pretty fun. I liked it. So I'll go ahead and put the Halloween ones after this video. Don't forget to subscribe to mine and Rosa's channels in order to win our prizes, okay? And you guys, thank you so much for joining us for our 12 days of Christmas. I am having a blast, and I know I've been late, but I'm going to try to catch up. So I know I keep apologizing, but anyway, I just want to let y'all know I really appreciate y'all stopping by my channel and subscribing to me, and thank you again for joining me. Take care, and I'll see you in a bit.